budding Campfire Guitar Heroes. Welcome to this week's lesson. My name is Dean and today I'm bringing you a great song from the late 1980s, Bizarre Love Triangle by New Order. Now this song is best known as a bit of a nightclub song back in the day because it was that sort of, what was the genre? Synthetic pop, sort of new wave, and it had a lot of obviously synthetic instruments in it and a really high tempo. But the song does translate really well to acoustic guitar and campfire guitar, as proven by Australian band Frente in 1994 when they remade the song, really pared down, did a bit of a finger-picking version, and that put the song back on the map. Anyway, it stood the test of time. It's a great sing-along song, and the best part is it's really easy to play. It's got 3 simple chords, and I'm giving you the open chord options, and all you need is 3 fingers to form all 3 chords. I'm not giving you any bar chords or tricky stuff like that. So let's get into it now. Now, one thing before we start, just remember I'm a left-handed guitarist, and I'm playing on a right-hand strung guitar. So all my chord patterns, my finger patterns, are actually upside down on this guitar. But don't let that worry you because I'm going to put the chord patterns on the screen here, and all you have to do, whether you're right or left-handed guitarist, is just get your fingers into the right positions and you can follow along. Right, the chords, it starts on the key of D. I'm not capoing it, but you could capo this anywhere you like to suit your voice. But for me, I've got an open stringing, and it starts on the key of D, so the chord D. Then it goes to E. And then it goes to an A major 7th. And then back to the D. Now, the chord patterns I put on the screen there, A major 7th sounds scary, but it's actually really easy when you transition from an E to an A major 7. You're just moving your fingers either side of your root note, which is your pointer finger on the G string 1st fret. Have a look at the patterns up there and you'll see the transition of those fingers on the 2nd fret. So let's do that again. D, E, A major 7, back to D. Every time I think of you, I get a shot right through from a bolt of blue. And that's the whole song. It just repeats round and round and round again. Even the chorus, which I'll do for you right now, on the D, of course. Every time I see you falling, I get down on my knees and pray. Start with a D, go to an E. A minor. Oh, I might have that one again. So we start with the D again. D, E, A major 7, D. Every time I see you falling, I get down on my knees and pray. So there you can see it. It's really simple. It's the same chords and they're easy to form. Now let's just do the strumming. I'll just break the strumming down really quickly for you. So I'm doing a down, block, 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 down, block. And remember the block is just me down strumming and then palm muting at the same time. So that's a block. So. And that's all there is to it. Now, if you stick around, I'll do the full playthrough at the end of this video, and you'll hear that I mix the strumming up a bit more with a few more up strums in between the down strums. And that's the whole song. Bizarre Love Triangle by Frente. Put it in your repertoire. Now remember, I actually produce song sheets for each of these songs, and you can get them from my Patreon page, all the details below. But so it shows the chord patterns, it's got all the lyrics, printed out, 1 page, PDF, and you can basically build up your songbook just like I'm doing with mine. So go to my Patreon page and get that. Every time I think of you, I feel a shot right through with a bolt of blue. It's no problem of mine, it's a problem I find, living life like I can't leave behind. There's no sense in telling me The wisdom of a fool won't set you free, but that's the way that it goes. It's what nobody knows. Well, every day my confusion grows. Every time I see you falling, I get down on my knees and pray, waiting for that final moment. You hear the words that I can't say. I feel fine and I feel good. I feel like I never should. Whenever I get this way, I just don't know what to say. Why can't we be ourselves like yesterday? I'm not sure what this could mean. I don't think you're what you seem. I do admit to myself that if I hurt someone else, then I'll never see just what we're meant to be. Every time I see you falling, I get down on my knees and pray, waiting for that final moment. You hear the words that I can't say. Hey folks, if you got value out of today's lesson, then do subscribe to my channel, because I put out weekly guitar tutorials, and that's the way you can stay in touch. So until next week, don't forget Campfire Guitar Hero. All you need is a few chords, a few friends, maybe a few drinks, and everyone's a rock star.